Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a message for everyone in a Messenger group chat on PC. Let's walk through the steps to efficiently manage your messages and ensure they are removed for all members in the group conversation. Step 1. To begin, open Messenger.com on your PC to access your Messenger account and group chats. Step 2. Open the specific group conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Step 3. Hover over the message that you wish to remove and click on More. Then, select Remove from the options that appear. Step 4. After choosing Remove, click on Unsend for everyone to indicate that you want to delete the message for all members in the group chat. Step 5. Finally, click on Remove to confirm and permanently erase the message for everyone in the group conversation. By following these steps, you can effortlessly delete a message for everyone in a Messenger group chat on your PC. Deleting messages for all members helps maintain confidentiality and control over your group discussions. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide assists you in effectively managing your messages and deleting them for everyone in the group chat on Messenger on PC. Enjoy a more secure and private group messaging experience by utilizing the Unsend for Everyone feature in Messenger.